Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing Rocket Simulator. I actually already recorded this, but I had to delete the footage because my brother walked in. But anyway, right now we're at the top island, and we just got a new trail. And so now the point of the game is to get to the top of that giant tower. I've done it before with my brother, but took really long to do it. So, I don't really think we'll be able to do it. It'll take a long time. Get on this island. Perfect. Is that tree floating? Dude, guys, there's a floating tree right here. This is awesome. Okay, let's get over to it. Okay, that's hard to get over to, but guys, let's do this. Oh, and also from the last video, I changed up my character. This is actually someone's merch, so yeah. But that's okay, right? Please don't demonetize me. But anyway, this is gonna take a while to get to the top. But also, most of my videos don't really have outros because I didn't really notice my timer ran out of time and then the video just cuts out. So that's why none of my videos really have outros, unless I notice the time. But that's also okay, because, you know, who really needs outros, right? Yeah, everyone. Every YouTuber. I'm literally a kid. I know nothing about being a YouTuber. But still, I made this channel, so I guess I know something. Wait, are we ever actually going to get up here, guys? If you hear something clicking, that's just my mouse. Come on. Yeah, this is actually gonna take a while to get up, isn't it? Guys, look how far up we are. But yeah, we're nowhere close to the top. This is gonna take quite a while. Guys, I'm going to meet you back when we get okay leaf bar up to the top of that tower, okay? Sounds good. Hey guys, we're back, and well, we didn't get too far up, but I did find a new strategy. Scan first person and then hold down your mouse. And then boom. No hands and I'm still moving up. The more power I get, it means I'm still using it. And no hands, so yeah. We just found a way to do it. And also, one thing. I just noticed that why exactly is there a way? I just need to check something. Wow. That's pretty insane. But, anyway, I found a much calmer method, so no spamming. And I can just talk to you guys while we try and get up here, right? This might take a while. But also, one thing. Do any of you guys know how to pick a lock? I'm trying to pick this lock. It's a challenge for me. Wait. I think I know how to pick the lock. Just a minute. Where that? No. I know how. Okay, guys. Let's see if I can pick this lock. I'm looking for something to pick the lock with. And the first thing we are going to attempt to pick the lock with is going to be... Oh, and guys, do not try and pick a lock at home. This is only for this video. Seriously, where is that animal? There's something that it's going to use to try and pick this lock. We don't know where it went. Well, let's just find something else to try and pick the lock with. Okay, guys, let's start with trying to pick the lock with this thing I found on my desk. Let me bend it. Okay. We gotta get closer to the tower, but now let's try and pick the lock. There's the lock. I'm trying to pick it though. I don't know the same thing. Okay, guys. Come on. This is like I'm actually trying to pick a lock on a door, but this is just I'm holding a lock. So I can't get this. What else do I have I can attempt to pick with? Guys, give me a second to find something I can pick the lock with. Wow. I really can't find anything. There's nothing that I can fix the lock with. There's nothing I can really use it for this. I don't have anything to pick this except that. That's my diary. Seriously, sorry about this, guys. It's really hard to answer the Maybe this pen could work. Okay, guys, looks like attempt number 2. Trying to pick a lock with the pen. Give me a second to unscrew the pen. This. What are we doing in the game here? Yeah, it's really hard to do it, so I'd be surprised if we ever even get to the top in this video. But please don't. Well, guys, we are going to be recording for a while. We probably won't even get to the top in this episode, this video. We'll have to restart all over, but it's okay, because every time we get more power, we go faster up. We're gonna try and do this for about 5 more minutes, and then we'll end the episode. Or the video, not episode. What am I thinking? Okay, guys. What was that? Okay. Attempt number 2. Try and pick the lock with a pen. First, we need to take off the spring. Okay, let's do this. This tower is never gonna get completed by anyone. Don't know how I even did it once. This is really hard to pick up. Yeah, guys, I don't think we'll even be able to pick the lock. Wait, what was that? What is this stuff on? Oh, Jesus. Guys, this is all up and down. Sorry. Oh, geez, that's hard. I think I found it. This. Yeah, guys, I have no idea how to assemble this. Came back together. I think this might have been a mistake. Sorry about this, guys. I don't think we're gonna get to the top tower, so we'll have to do this in the next video. But don't worry, we can do all this next time. But guys, do remember one. No matter what you do in life, do it right. Anyway, this is going to end off the video, it looks like. So, see you in the next video. And guys, there is gonna be a short time of me not posting videos. I'm going back to New Jersey, but still, it's okay. So, see you in the next video. And, yeah. We'll hopefully get to top tower in the next video. Right? Right? Right?